Okay, welcome to our video note 7-7, example 3. We want to write now a transformed function. So given f of x equals 2 to the x, we want to write a function that's going to shift it right 2, up 3, and stretch by 2. I'm going to say we have to say horizontally there because we have to know if we're stretching horizontally or vertically. So our new function I'm going to name is g of x. And if I'm going to shift it right 2, that means I'm going to be subtracting 2 from my x. If I want to horizontally stretch by 2, that means I'm going to multiply my x by 1/2. So this is all in my exponent. And then up 3, adding 3 on the end. So this would be my transformation of this 2 to the x function. So now in part B, g of x is 1/2 to the x. I want to reflect it across the y-axis and horizontally stretch by a factor of 3. So let's name this function now h of x equals 1/2. Now to horizontally stretch by 3, I'm going to have to multiply x by 1/3 and reflect across the y-axis. I need a negative x. So this is 1/2 to the negative 1/3 x. Lastly here in part C, k of x equals log base 3 of x. We want to reflect it across the x-axis, vertically stretch by 2, and shift it left 2 and down 7. Okay, let's call this transformation f of x. So it's log base 3. Reflecting across the x-axis and vertically stretch by 2, that's going to be a negative 2 in front. So now I want to shift it left 2, so that's going to be x plus 2, and then down 7 on the end. So you see these transformations can be written very quickly if you're familiar with the rules.